DeWALT, Bosch, Craftsman, SKIL. We have a whole bunch to go over and not a lot of time to do it. There's a whole bunch here in the center aisle, and Dremel has some corded rotary tools here. They have deals with oscillating multi-tool blades, as well as accessory sets, corded rotary tools. I gotta tell you, this thing's stock packed. What is not stock packed full is the Spyder deals. Now, here's the deal. I was talking to the store a moment ago, and they said they have all new Spyder deals that will be happening. Now, whether they're here tomorrow or not, I'm not certain, but I will tell you, they've made even bigger reductions in some of these Spyder accessories. The 7 1/4 demo blade was at $15.98. It's now $12.98. They have that 14-piece Recip saw blade set. Comes with a little Spyder case. That one was $31.48. It is $24.98 right now. 6 teeth per inch, 14 teeth per inch in the 9 1/8 inch size. And then your 6s, you have 6 teeth per inch as well as 18 teeth per inch. I will tell you that 6 teeth per inch, they're saying is good for wood and nails. So that would be a good demo blade. I haven't had my hands on a set of Spyder Recip saw blades in a minute, but you know what really caught my eye right here? Made in the USA. You can see that tarantula demo blade in here. This had some very interesting features to it. We have that Spyder 7 1/4 inch circular saw blade. This is a 6 1/2. Is this a 6? No, this is a 7 1/4, 24 teethuses. This one's at $9.98. They have that 60 tooth blade for ultra-fine finish at $17.98. I remember when 60 tooth circular saw blades in 7 1/4 size could be as high as 40, 50, 60 bucks. We're talking $17.98. And I'm sure that the technology, the coatings are much better than like 10, 15, 20 years ago. They have that 6 1/2 inch 24 tooth saw blade, circular saw blade is at $9.98. And then they have that 8-piece spattle bit set, the stingers. You get all the way up to 1 inch spade bit, all the way down from 3/8 of an inch. Bosch has some deals here. This is their combination impact driver, impact wrench deals. Come with battery, charger, and the tool. Was $159, it is 99 bucks. It's saying 7-piece Recip saw blade set, but I will assume that it's just the driver bits. They're at $16.98. I remember the $399 10-inch double bevel slide, non-slider, so 10-inch double bevel. I don't remember this being here. First time I've ever seen a cordless, full-size 12-inch motor saw at Lowe's Home Improvement. I'm proud of you, Lowe's. $699. Oh, so it is tool only. So I keep on getting confused when I see these batteries on the side of the boxes. These XR tools are optimized for their XR line of batteries, although they're not included in that kit. I will tell you though, at $699, you are getting probably one of DeWalt's top of the line motor saws. Whoa, we got more Spyder deals. They have like end caps everywhere. You can see they have a lot of grinder accessories here, diamond cups. They have diamond cutting wheels, segmented, non-segmented. We got a whole continuous rims. Got accessories over here. I like it. As well as their revolutionary hole saw kits down here. They have some clearance deals here in the center of the aisle. Cobalt, DeWalt for driver bits. We got some step bits here, or unit bits, $74.98 for a 3-pack. You have a number 4, 2 number 4s and a number 1. We got the Irwin jab saws here, $2.72. I mean, you really can't beat that. That's a pretty doggone good price. Got some Cobalt tape measures. There are some good deals, it looks to be, in the back aisle. I'm gonna have to check that out. You can see there are some Cobalt driver bit kit sets here. The DeWalt deals that are going on right now, what they're doing, they're advertising for, these came out August 14th. It says limited time deal, free DeWalt 12 volt max 5 amp hour battery with purchase of the tool. You can see if you're making a purchase of some of these select tools, they're gonna be giving you a free 5 amp hour battery pack. In that 12 volt max section, they're clearancing out the 12 volt max bandsaw, extreme bandsaw, at $116.37 from $179. If we come on over to some of the 20 volt max tools, you can see that they have the power detect kits. I don't know what impact's in there. It looks as though it is a 3-speed. It's probably like an 887. They're clearancing this out. This was a $399 combo kit. Came with one of their rapid chargers, a bag, their previous generation 8 amp hour XR battery pack, as well as a 2 amp hour battery pack paired well with that 887. They're clearancing out at $329. Now, if we move on down the road, this is their compact XR hammer drill and impact driver. This is coming at 1.7 amp hour power stack battery plus an XR 4 amp hour battery, previous generation, as well as charger and a bag. It's not a rapid charger, but this one was $349. It's now down to $279. You have a limited time deal. They have the 4-tool combo, that XR compact hammer drill. You have the impact driver, flashlight, and a Recip saw XR combo. You're getting a single stack lithium battery pack in there, as well as a 5 amp hour XR pack, previous generation, as well as a charger bag, marked down $449. They have that XR drill driver with that power stack battery. This one's marked down from $239 to $189. They have that XR drill driver bare tool. They have it at $129. So there's some good clearance deals. I gotta be honest with you. Leave this for the people that don't know. This $159 DeWALT, this is like a 20-volt max brushless hammer drill. Leave that for somebody else. Don't buy that. Let me show you what's going on with Flex right now. It's what's next. So right now they're doing, was supposed to end. They're carrying this through until their next promotion begins. But you can see when you have your choice of tools right now, bare tools are at 99 bucks. Here are some of my favorites. Love the vacuum, love the random orbital sander, I love the radio. I really love the oscillating multi-tool, one of the most vibration-free oscillating multi-tools, 2 bright LED lights at the front. This is probably, on this board, my favorite tool of all of them. I like the one-handed Recip saw. I like the impact wrenches. And the drywall screwdriver, I like. For $149, they're doing the stacked lithium 3.5 amp hour battery pack. I love their Recip saw. At $149, they have the inline 6.5 inch circ saw. I love their router. They invented the grinder. Flex invented the grinder 100 years ago, as well as the D-handle jigsaw. I don't love the D-handle jigsaw. Limited time, free 5 amp hour battery, 20 volt max with purchase of select DeWALT power tools. So you can see here, they have a 2-pack of 8 amp hour 20 volt max batteries. They're clearancing them out at $239.17. They were $299. Cobalt for 99 bucks. They have their 1/2 inch brushless drill driver kit. 20 volt, 24 volt max was $149, is at $99. Limited time deal, Cobalt 2 amp hour battery and charger kit with purchase of select 24 volt power tools. You can see the item numbers there. And then they have their brushless impact driver at 99 bucks. That's at 99 bucks. Pretty doggone cool. You can see there's the drill driver kit at 99. There's the visuals. This is the $199 impact wrench kit. Is that the XTR? Oh, it is. So that's like coming. That's coming with the high output battery, and the wrench is at $199, marked down from $279. Listen, if you had to bust some nuts loose, this thing's a beast. Whoa, look at this. They have a whole SKIL section now. Look at that, look at that. Everything's on deal too. Look at all the deals. Yo, Power Cord 12, inflator, bare tool, 29 bucks, down from 49 bucks. They got that fan at 19 from 29.98. Everything's on deal right now. Wow. Is that random orbital at 39 from 59? They have the ratchet. It's a 3/8, 3/8 brushless ratchet. Is at 59 from 99. They have the Power Cord 3-speed impact wrench. 3/8 is at 39 from 69. Wow, they have the impact driver. Yo, that's a kit. Was 79 bucks. It's 59.98. It's 12 volt. Plus this thing has USB 2-way USB charging. These must be all new blades from Spyder. They're saying new. Q2 takedown. Whoa. 823. They're new in 823? No way. So this is Spyder's Mach Blue. Anybody use these? Made in Germany. These are made in Germany. They're still doing some clearance on the back here. Yeah, Weeha. It's got their 11-in-1 saw finish multi-driver. Is at $15.98. They have an 1.25 PVC cutter from Klein. Klein's got their MODbox out front here. They have 3-drawer toolbox at $189.98. They have the 2-drawer at $179. They got some Kneepad deals here. So we have more Klein in here, okay? Even a ton of Klein tools here, okay? Plus we have Irwin, which is great, but we also have Channellock. We have Channellock, the biggest selection of Channellock in a big box right now. Just is what it is. If you come over to hammers, you're met with an entire selection of S-Wings hammers, okay? You also have Klein, Cobalt, okay? You have hatchets from S-Wing. You're not finding them anywhere. You're just not finding those S-Wing hammers. They will cycle Vaughn in and out here at Lowe's, but even the pry bars. We have Klein pry bars, okay? S-Wing, we have their heavy hammers, mallets from S-Wing. You're just not finding that. S-Wing, look at it. You got S-Wing pry bars here, cat's paws and such. I gotta be honest with you. I believe that when it comes to things like hammers, pry bars and such, hand tools, pros, especially tenured pros that have been in the business for a while, those are the brands that pros look for. And when they start to realize that they can't find them other places, they're gonna start driving more and more to Lowe's Home Improvement. It just is what it is. With that being said, we're living in a time warp here at Lowe's Home Improvement. Everybody knows I love Halloween, but not only is it Halloween, look at the size of that minion at Lowe's Home Improvement, okay? It's not only Halloween, it's also Christmas at Lowe's Home Improvement. Look at it. You got Yukon Cornelius, we got Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, as well as we got the Abominable Snowman here. Listen, it's Christmas already. I mean, come on, I'm getting older and older and time is going faster and faster. I wish they would just slow it down a touch. Please slow it down a hair. Please, Lowe's Home Improvement. I do like the Jack Skellington though, at $198. You know what's good about Jack is that if you don't know Jack, you might not know that you could have him up at Halloween and leave him for Christmas too. I gotta be honest with you. I wanna go check that back aisle. We got some clearance here. Whoa, whoa, wow, wow. This might beat the deal from last week that we saw. So we got Ego's backpack blower. Okay, you're talking about, this is a 60 cc equivalent. This comes with two 6 amp hour 56 volt batteries, 190 mile per hour, 65 decibels. It's got an IPX5 rating. This one was $769. It's at $653.67. That's a pretty doggone good value, actually. I like that. You know me, I love a deal. Their 18-inch chainsaw was $399. It's $349 now. Their 20-inch was $549. It's at $449. Their 16-inch was $279. It's at $219. You can see all the different deals, but my favorite is when you see the orange tags. They have that Ego, a 10,000 lumen light with like all those crazy amount of panels. That thing was $179. They have it clearance out at $143.17. They have the 40 volt, 14-inch string trimmer kit from SKIL. It was $159. Their clearance is out of $55.65. If you can get them, that's one you should be searching for. Yo, the back alley's been getting better and better, actually. Yo, that battery deals, Rayovacs. Whoa, don't miss the battery deals. I don't know how much this reel, 100 footer. I don't know how much that is. Valspar deals. They got the heat, 76 cents. Let's take a look. Yo, look at it. They got some signage here. Nice. The black flag. They got driver bit sets back here. They're clearancing them out. They were $39. They're at $25 right now. You got some Scotch tape. Here's the, these are Craftsman. Here's the 40 volt. Wow. These are the 40 volt. Oh no, these are the pole saws. I wonder how much these are being clearanced out for. SKIL 40-inch, 40 volt, 10-inch pulse. It was $199. It's at $179.02. I wonder if these are actually clearanced cheaper. This is actually, I like the sleeve on that Cobalt kit. 65 pieces, $9.97. Ooh, doesn't everybody want something for free? At Hacksaw Blades, $5.07. What do you think of Christmas being out already? I want to know. What do you think of that? Yo, look at this animated reindeers. This thing's moving around. I will tell you, what is this, a 40 footer? 32 foot fiberglass was $549. It is now $499. Not terribly bad. They got the 28 foot Glide Safe from Werner. Was $499. It's at $449. What's this? This is the 20 foot aluminum. Was $249. It's at $209. 225 on capacity. I'll be honest with you. Right next to it, a 16 footer at $199. I have this ladder, this 20 foot extension. I take this ladder everywhere. It's on steel right now, $249. Was $299. I like that 20 footer. It's a great general purpose. Throw it on the truck. Listen, here's the deal. You don't necessarily need a rack with it. okay? Because it's literally 10 foot. It can hang out. You put a little flag on it, it's good to go. It will get you safely on, you know, single story building, no problem, on the roof and all. It's just a great all-purpose ladder. Here you go. This is on clearance. 8-foot Werner was $159. It's at $135.17. The 8-foot aluminum's at $115. Was $139. Here you go. 6-footer Werner. 250-pound capacity. This is at $109.67 from $129. What's this? Oh, they have the Bakers. Yo, is at $275. And this is Werner too. This is Werner. I haven't seen it this cheap in a long time. $275. I like this a lot, actually. But why? What's with the platform? It's saying walk through, climb through platform. So are you telling me that the platform's only on one side? It's a half platform? I don't know what's going on here with this. Whatever, it's a $275. I would need to get more specifics to know if it's a good deal or not. I want to say a special thank you to each and every one of you, the very coolest community on all of the interwebs, for everything that you contribute, all of the likes, all of the views, all of the comments, all of the chat, all of that camaraderie. I appreciate all of you. Thank you.